Hello again. Let's learn a little more about numbers. If I have to ask you how many members are there in your family, your answer would be a one-digit number. You would say either 3 or 4 or 5. What if I have to ask you how many students are there in your class? It usually is a two-digit number. How about the number of students in your school? It's usually a three-digit number. Some schools, it would be a four-digit number. What about the number of people in your community? That could go to 4 digits. And if I have to ask you how many people are there in your city or your state or your country, that goes to 8 and 9 digits. You see, it's easy to read 3 and 4 digit numbers. You've learned that earlier. But how do you read large numbers which have 7, 8 and 9 digits? Today, we are going to learn how to do that. Uttar Pradesh is the biggest state in our country in terms of population. This is the approximate population of Uttar Pradesh. Have a look at the number. 236304129. It's a 9-digit number. Let's see how we can read and write a number like this. We all know that to read a number, we need to know the place value of each digit. You've seen place value house in your earlier grades. We can read a number using two systems, the Indian system and the international system. This is how the Indian system place value house looks like. Have a look at it. If we have to go from the right side, you will see on the extreme right you have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This is how the place values are in the Indian system. Right above the place value, can you see something called as periods? So group of digits, group of place values are grouped together to form periods. So in the Indian system, we have the ones period, that is group of ones, tens and hundreds. Then you have the thousands period, that's group of thousands and 10,000s. And then you have the lakhs period, which has lakh and 10 lakh. And then you have the crores period, crore and 10 crore. Now these periods are important because when you have to read the number, you will have to read it using these periods. Let's look at the international system place value house. This is how it looks. Can you see the difference? We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then we have the 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. And now let's look at the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds are grouped together as ones period. In the thousands period, we have thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. In millions, we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Here, we have groups of 3. So, in short, the periods in the Indian system are crores, lakhs, thousands and ones, whereas the periods in the international system are millions, thousands and ones. Now that you've seen the place value charts in both the systems, let's try to read that big number, the population of Uttar Pradesh. First, we are going to read the number using the Indian system. Let's write the number. It is 236304129. The first thing to do is to place all the digits in its place value house. So 9 goes here, 2 goes here, 1, 4, 0, 3, 6, 3, 2. Now we have to identify the periods. We've seen this period is ones period, this is your thousands period, this is your lakhs period, and this is your crores period. And we know that the periods are separated by commas. We place the commas. Now let's just read the number. When you read the number, you read it from left to right. Let's go ahead. So the number is 23 crores 63 lakhs 4,129. That is how you read the 9-digit number. So what is the population of Uttar Pradesh? If somebody asks you that, you can say it is 23 crores 63 lakhs 4,129. Now let's do the same thing in the international system. Let's write the number 236304129. I'm going ahead and placing the digits in its place value. 9, 2, 1, 4, 0, 3, 6, 3, 2. And the periods in international system are groups of 3. So these 3 forms the first period, ones. These 3 form the thousands period. And these 3 form the millions period. And the periods are separated by commas. Let's read the number from left to right. Go ahead and read. This 236,304,129. Remember, when you read the last period, you don't say the name of the period. You just read the number 129. So the population of Uttar Pradesh according to the international system is 236,304,129. Let's write a number in its expanded form. Let's see what that is. Here is your number 354621. How do you write that? So we write it as 3 lakh plus 50,000 plus 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. That is your expanded form. You can also write it in the exponential form. We've seen what exponential form is. You write it as a base to the power of exponent. So let's see how we can do that. 3 into 10 to the power of 5, because 1 followed by 5 zeros is 1 lakh. So 3 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 2 into 10 plus 1. There you go. That is how you can write a given number like 3,54,621 in its expanded form. Now let's see if we can write an expanded form, if you can convert an expanded form into a standard form or a short form. Here is the expanded form. Have a look at it. You see, we have 3 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 7. The important thing to notice when we convert an expanded form into a short form or a standard form is this. We need to look at the order of powers. The order of powers should be continuous. If you look at this number, the first we have 10 to the power of 7, and after that we have 10 to the power of 4. So we have 10 to the power of 6 and 10 to the power of 5 missing. So the digits corresponding to that would be 0. So let's go ahead and write the number. What do you think is the standard form of this long form number? It is 300, because 10 to the power of 6 and 10 to the power of 5 are missing. So 3004 8, 5, 6, 7. So now you know how to write a number in its expanded form or in the standard form. I encourage you to go ahead and read the chapter, and there are a lot of practice questions given for you to answer. Once you do that, you will be super good at reading and writing large numbers. See you soon.